Graphing linear equations. Linear equations mean we're going to be graphing lines. And the equations are going to look like y equals ax plus b. There will be no exponents or anything. It's a very simple equation, and it'll always turn out to be a line. So here we have y equals 2x minus 2. To graph a linear equation, you're going to use a table. In the table, we're going to have x and y values. The x is the independent variable, and so we choose that first, and you choose easy values to put into x. So I usually pick 0, 1, or 2. Now, one at a time, we put these values into the x and see what the y value will be equal to. So 2 times 0 minus 2 is going to give us a y value of negative 2. X is now 1. 2 times 1 minus 2 will give you a value of 0. And now we have an x of 2, so we put that in. 2 times 2 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. Now that we have a table of values, we can use these as coordinates and plot the points. So the first one is 0, negative 2. Next one's 1, 0. And the final one is 2, 2. Once you've done that, then you can draw the line through the points. Here we have the equation y equals negative 3x plus 1. We can do the same thing, make a table. This time I'm going to use a horizontal table. It all comes out the same. I got x and y. Again, pick easy values for x. So I'm going to use 0, 1, and 2. When x is 0, is equal to 1. Negative 3 times 1 plus 1 is equal to negative 2. And negative 3 times 2, negative 3 times 2 plus 1 is equal to negative 5. Now we plot the points. First one is 0, 1. Next one is 1, negative 2. And finally 2, negative 5. Connect the points with the line. These are two very interesting and potentially confusing equations. First one is y equals 2. Let's make a table. No matter what the x is, 0, 1, or 2, no matter what, it says y is 2. So if x is 0, no matter what, y is 2. Even if the x is 1, the y is 2. No matter what, if the x is 2, the y is 2. No matter what the x is, y is 2. Now let's plot it. 0, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2. As you can see, when we connect them, it makes a horizontal line. Anytime you have y equals something, it is a horizontal line. Now when we do x equals 3, it's a similar idea. No matter what the y is, x will always be 3. So when we graph it, we have 3, 0, 3, 1, and 3, 2. And when you connect them, it's going to make a vertical line. Every x equals something will be a vertical line. Sometimes you receive equations that are lines, but they don't look like lines. This one, 2y minus 4x equals 1, does not look like y equals ax plus b. But we can make it look like that by doing the opposite operation to get the y by itself, just like you were solving an equation. So we need to get rid of the minus 4x, and we do that by doing the opposite to both sides, plus 4x to both sides. The minus 4x and the positive 4x cancel out, leaving 2y is equal to 4x plus 1. You cannot add them together because they're not like terms. And now we got to get rid of the 2 times y. We got to get rid of the times 2. Do the opposite, divide both sides by 2. So the equation is y equals 4x divided by 2 is 2x. 1 divided by 2 is a half. Again, make a table. Pick at least 2 x values. Insert the 0 into the x. 2 times 0 is 0 plus half is a half. 2 times 1 is 2 plus a half is 2 and a half. Now we have our points and we can graph it. 0, half, 1, 2 and a half. Then connect your points to see the line.